Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Salman Khalid and I am a civil engineering student at University of Engineering and Technology Taxila. In this video, I along with my team members will be explaining the use of sustainable engineering materials. So the question is, what is a sustainable engineering material? So sustainable materials are the materials that are used throughout our consumer industrial economy that can be produced in required volumes without depleting non-renewable resources, without disrupting the established steady-state equilibrium of the environment and key natural resource systems. Climate change, pollution-related illnesses, and energy costs have prompted engineers and architects to develop green solutions. New residential and commercial building and renovations are designed to be more environmentally friendly, thereby reducing emissions, illnesses, and energy consumption. Sustainable engineering material must have these following qualities, such that it should be recyclable and reusable, it should be eco-friendly, it should be easily available, and such that it should be economical. Now, we will move forward to discuss the origin and types of waste material. Waste may be generated during the extraction of raw materials, the processing of raw materials into intermediate and final products, the consumption of final products, and the other human activities. Poor waste management contributes to climate change and air pollution and directly affects the ecosystems and species. Sustainable waste management is critical not only to engender a flourishing natural environment that contributes to human and animal health, but also to improve the energy production and reduce the costs of transportation and logistics. Now, we will discuss the types of waste materials. The types of waste materials include industrial waste of marble and granite industry, which includes marble slurry, waste marble, marble debris, and marble dust. And then we have the waste generated during quarrying. It includes the side burden, interburden, ungraded materials, undersized materials. Then we have waste generated during processing. It includes dressing waste, cutting waste, and polishing waste. Now, Haseeb will continue to further elaborate the topic.
My name is Haseeb and I am civil engineer from UET Taxila and my registration number is 21C37A. So now I'll discuss about what are the common constituents of marble waste. Marble is one of the non-foliated chainable rock which is made out of recrystallized carbonate mineral that is most ordinate calcite or dolomite. Geologists utilize the term marble as the transformed limestone. Stonemasons utilize the term all the more comprehensively to incorporate it as the metamorphosis limestone. So, marble is generally utilized as a part of model, furthermore as the building material. So, what are the uses of marble and granite waste? Some of these which we use in industrial and civil engineering projects. These are opportunities for development of low-cost concrete, marble waste as coarse aggregate and its impact on lean cement concrete, industrial production marble waste bricks. So, utilization in concrete bricks, and the last one is production of high-performance concrete.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Mubeen and I am from Civil Engineering Department UET Taxila. My part of this presentation is marble sludge. Marble sludge are crystalline rocks composed predominantly of calcite, dolomite or serpentine materials. The other constituent materials vary from origin to origin. The next part is marble dust. Marble dust is a waste product. During cutting process, a large amount of powder is produced. Nearly 25% of marble is converted into dust in the cutting process. These dust includes the oxides of sulfur, magnesium, aluminium, etc. The main part and main objective of this study was to utilize this dust into sustainable materials which can be used for civil engineering purposes. The main advantage of these dust are follows. Number one, it can be used as a replacement of other materials like cement. For example, the marble dust, it increases the tensile strength, the compressive tensile strength of the cement in coarse aggregates. Number two, it decreases the cost of construction. Because marble dust is a very cheap product, we can get it free of cost or in very nominal prices, which is very cheap. Thus decreases the cost of construction, which is a main factor for construction purposes. Last but not the least, it has a very good binding property. Thus, the binding property is very essential and useful for every construction purposes. That is all from my side. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Sheikh Hanan, Department of Civil Engineering from UET Taxila. As we know that marble and its waste is a eco material and it gives lime. So we can use marble waste as a coarse aggregate to replace the conventional coarse aggregate in the production of concrete. The compressive strength of the mixes utilizing marble waste were observed to increase on average by 40% when tested at 7 days and 18% at 28 days. It is also used as a filler material for roads and embankments. The workability of all the concrete mix increases with marble aggregates. Now, industrial production of brick using marble waste. The clay bricks were prepared using clay, waste marble, and calcined waste marble. The compressive strength values improve when calcined waste marble is used instead of uncalcined waste marble. In brick manufacturing, marble slurry works as a lime, a bounding material used for the manufacturing of clay bricks. The bulk density of fired clay bricks decreases with an increase in the percentage of waste marble in clay bricks. Lightweight bricks can be used in areas prone to earthquakes, and it can help in economical construction as labor and transportation cost is less for late weighing bricks. It is used in fly ash bricks, concrete bricks block, mixing marble sludge into concrete without conventional burning into kiln. Now utilization in concrete bricks of marble waste. Concrete bricks can be the best application to utilize marble waste in large quantities. Marble slurry cement bricks yield similar mechanical in terms of compressive strength and physical in terms of density and absorption properties. According to American Society for Testing Material, it provides sufficient abrasion resistant. The marble waste can be utilized as aggregate in manufacturing of non-fired bricks without conforming to its quality standards without burning of solid fuel is one of the options for reducing the emission of CO2 gas. So we should use marble waste in different purposes for sustainability of environment as well as for construction. Thank you very much.
Myself, Abdul Rafay, I am a student of the University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila, with a roll number of 31CE69. Now I will tell you about the protection of high performance concrete. Due to the high fineness of marble dust, it proves to be effective in ensuring good cohesiveness of concrete in the presence of super plasticizing admixture, provided that water to cement ratio was just adequate. We can observe optimum compressive strength at 15% of marble dust mixed with concrete. 20% of marble dust also gives high strength when mixed with fly ash. The influence of partial replacement of concrete with marble dust and to compare it with the compressive and tensile strength of high cement concrete mix. Marble powder will fill with the voids present in concrete and will give sufficient compressive strength when compared to ordinary concrete. Formation of the carbonate compound was well expected because of the presence of higher contents of CaO and MgO in marble waste. This mineral is responsible for improved bond between the cement paste and aggregate in concretes. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mamoor Ahmed and my roll number is 21CE61. I am a student of University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila. So the topic of my presentation and topic of my task is waste marble. So what is waste marble and where it is used? Waste marble is a material being produced by the production of marble. So which includes marble debris, marble dust, and waste marble particles, marble slurry. So it is used in lean concrete, high performance concrete, concrete blocks, and bricks, fly ash bricks, etc. So the main constituent of marble waste is limestone. Nowadays the cost of material is very high, so we can use marble waste to lower down the cost of our material. It can also save natural resources, etc. So it is a sustainable material as it is eco-friendly, it is cost efficient, and it is reusable.